Hi friends, hi students. Hope you're doing well. And many of students were asking for about the Python installation part and how to install Python in our system. And so I have started this class to make them understand how to install Python in the system. So first of all, we will open Google Chrome or any browser which is installed on your system. Then we go to Python download. Type Python download for Windows 10. In my system it is Windows 11. Windows 11. So she go with so a go and this we will go to download Python. Second URL and the latest version is Python 3.11. From here we will download the Python 3.11 version in our system. It is downloaded in my system and start the installation part. After the af- after this windows open up, this windows open up for the installation, and so we will click the install now, and this yes, and it will be installed in our system. This is how we will install Python system. Whatever a system is, it may be Windows, it may be Linux. You can, for the Linux part, Linux, it will be installed. It will take some time to install. Now it is installed in the system. From here, we can open the Python shell. See, in my system, Python 3.9 and Python 3.9 both are installed, so I can use anyone. This is the Python shell. If, for example, we have to type hello world, we can do so. I will show you. We are going to print hello world. You can do this using the print command. See, this will be showing some error because I have not put it in inverted commas since it is a string. So once it will be printing hello world. Since previously I have not put the hello world in the inverted commas, it will be showing, it will be giving error. And the rest, this is the Python shell, and we can print any command, whatever command we want to, whatever operation we want to perform, whether it is addition or subtraction. So we can do addition of two numbers, 5 plus 4, print a bracket within brackets. Now just 9. So this is the working of the Python. This is what the Python and then how we can work with Python. Now, what I will tell you about the Anaconda, how to download Anaconda and then download Jupyter Notebook, then work in the industry. We work on Jupyter Notebook as well as we use the Anaconda command prompt for various software part. So in the next class, I will tell you a brief about the Anaconda and the other things. Okay. So this was a brief session. This was a quite brief session, and I will be downloading. I will be uploading this. I will be uploading this videos on my YouTube channel Tech by. So you can see from there also. Otherwise, I will be sending the link part also. Okay. Thank you.